Why I can do that? Because I work, I train, I'm the destiny creature and connecting with my body and blessing by the creator, the owner, the writer, the painter of the rooms and the timeline. So I know what and everything that's supposed to be accepting as a worship and not supposed to be. So I can see clear what and who can accepting and what and who cannot accepting, just like my master can do. But I just a little part of his power, unlimited, multiversal story, rooms and timeline, and I can see you well, not accept